Being part of a team has benefited me professionally by really giving me a sense of stability in my job. Being part of a team has helped that tremendously, and I just don't know if I would have been able to have that being a single agent in this business. As far as the value that I get from being on the team, first and foremost is just the team setting. Being around people that are energetic, that are hungry, that are always kind of striving for more, helps bring the best out of me as an agent and wanting to do better and better every single day. I consider joining the team for a number of reasons. The support that you get every single day from the team and just the team members in general. Freeing up your time in a business where this can easily turn into a job that's 24/7. That time management is such a huge aspect of being on the team. Just the overall combined knowledge from the team is so helpful, especially when you're dealing with deals that can get very difficult at times. And then the growth that's possible as a member on a team as opposed to a single agent, allowing me to focus on what I'm good at and just get better and better every single day. And ultimately, it's just the group of people who are constantly striving for more every day, and it rubs off on you in all areas of your life.